Calm down.
Yeah. Calm down, no, no, they play. Let me play for you.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Monday. Streets will keep paying our bills, payday. Forget GTP, please use my whole pay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay. I'm not afraid, I will explore. I was raised in ghetto, nothing can stop me. We rule this town, I am the captain, you cannot stop me. Yeah. Listen, one neck filo, and you need this shaki, let me pillow. If you zuzu, you go to hear ratatata. Cause we go give them to you, you go to. So don't be, follow the boss, Moa. The meal ticket for the police, Papa Moa. We know they run away. This is my home. Listen, I am talking to you in particular. I'm not afraid. I will explore. I was raised in ghetto.
Why not? They do now.
Yeah, which
Maybe because money
No, I don't give your mama money now inside.
You the grace. That one na homage you go pay. I said settle me now. You want lose God middle man. Settle me, I beg.
Try and be your own now.
Because you the grace. Because I know right to get here, you no get sense.
Take now.
Remember that money things don't
I don't give you money now.
I go rob you. Bring money things don't put money. Old man like you, what do you want to use money do? Give me now.
How they do like that?
What happened now?
Come on for here. You know say you get you know say you get diabetes, you go for here. Come for here.
You don't come again.
Come over here.
What happened?
Global mama.
Why did you have noise? Won't allow me make a finish the shit while the streets.
Mama, everywhere don't cast too.
What happened?
Some good boys they look for me, oh. Based on that swanky boy, you are fall now.
I talk him. Shebi, I tell you, say make you not kill that boy. Now you go kill him. That boy in a trouble.
But the boy say you be bastard now. Say me I be son of bastard. My gun dey buy and cake.
I say make you just cut him tongue. I know say make you kill him.
Nah, that sentence he deserve. Now he over talk now. Nah, that's what he deserves. But me, I won't come out town because those boys now they para for me. So I come out after 6 months. I go fall back.
You are going nowhere.
Well, you know you what I talk. I say my head dey for promo.
You not they go anywhere. Don't forget the son of who you are. Don't forget say na me Biogunu, the priestess of Ihiala, daughter of the wind. You don't forget me. If person fit kill when, that means say they go fit kill you. You don't forget.
How's everywhere good now?
Abeg, go just soak yourself for your weed.
Bye, I believe you. Global mama, no be you again. I believe you.
And this what you want drink now?
I want to drink alcohol, so I want to calm my head down.
You know what I tell you, say, as person not fit kill wind, say they no go fit kill you. I mean, Namo, na me be the priestess of Iyala. I don't talk him. I go fortify you. Who want try you? Who try you? Na me then they try. No say who they find, na me then they find.
I believe you.
Don't worry, I go fortify you. The one what I go do for you now. Pew. Disappear.
Eh? Have you disappeared?
You don't like her.
You don't
Now your mama dey here. After me, na me.
If you give me disappearing, you don't finish work.
What's in the side?
Eh?
What's in the side?
Have you? You don't be, say no more.
You know how to do. For me, you know how to do.
How can I ask this kind of question? You don't know, sir, I shall forehand well. I shall make more. I shall miyanda. I shall na wagayo. But in the lose got too much. If you be saying my guy, I for say mpamwe dia. You don't know, sir, based on that swanky matter.
Arizi. It be like say you don't do sentimental too much. I don't understand you. Who goes swanky now to talk with Ashanadi? Then you know see now swanky big man now put up a problem. You there they talk about Ashana say like one kind loose guarded man. Then they talk that thing again.
But the area now true say 1-on-1 day game. But the brother no supposed spy in brother. Now Ashana find trouble for this matter. You don't understand? Yeah?
You don't do too sentimental for the matter. May I don't understand you again. Instead of we talk about one take come out this whole poster for this place. You there they talk about Ashana say Ashana if you compare them to swanky.
They follow me the camp, make you know the point your finger for my but I see you know the match my hierarchy.
Sentimental now, which one you talk
about?
Why
your
now?
voice, they can't
talk
with the match.
You talk about who be swanky now?
With the match my hierarchy, who goes you?
The match Ashana hierarchy, who goes you?
I say Bobby, who goes you?
Who goes you?
I go stampede you.
You go stampede me.
I go stampede
you. Go stampede me.
I go stamp into you.
Who goes you to say go stampede me now?
Come for that.
Stop this nonsense you do. Stop am. You get what I tell you?
Where are you when men enter bush? Look how you been there when men enter bush.
I go run enter you.
Make your mouth together.
I go run enter you. You get what I tell you? You go stop the sentimental doing so. You get why you? Iyogu. Udenekala aka na amapu ozu afọ. Aya akala aka. Adi eli ngwụlọ. Onye si ka ọ bụli ya. Ọ bụli omedi ekene.
The sisterhood has finally welcomed you into our chambers. That's Ekwolo Ekwushie. Onye jụọ gị ma ị na-agba mmiri, igosie ife dị n'isi mmiri. I don't play with my money. Iyogu! Gogogongo! Dakara nkusa! Dakara tie!
You managed to remove all the posters we see for the body, except for the ones who know eyeglass.
Senior man, from the thing why they see so, now mutinio, this boy is just the mutinios, and then they call for war, then they call for HIT.
Nobody they call for war, don't start already. You don't understand? All of them where prize must collect, even the ones who travel, go track them reach where they travel go. How gonna starting when? They don't know their age grade again.
Wow.
Now true say they lose God well. Now true say them agree more, them yanda. Now true say then they checkmate us. Now true say then they can't motion us. Now true say then they match our hierarchy. Now true say they want mutinios. But I for still suggest, based on who we be for the area, say make we dialogue with them, make we reason with them.
No, they don't cross the line. You get what you go do, you don't kill room for dialogue. If you say they never match, print their papa poster before dialogue. But you see this stage, you don't cross. No room for dialogue. All of them, not you not matter.
Hey now, no man now.
Their family members go plan bury attire. You know that as you want be.
Now what for you? Down. As they get married, declare one senior man. Now what for you? Everywhere go print obituary poster for the town.
You know use them set the example. Another idiot go and try you.
They don't do based on sentiment. Waiting the up now. Why they do like that now?
If like say don't they checkmate me, Abi. If like say don't they match my hierarchy for the hood, Abi. I go stamp into you. I go stamp into you. Perish that idea, boy. Come on, I said okay, perish that idea.
Calm down.
Arrange this place. Let me be. No, drag it down. Let me see your breast. Good. You know your first mission today? You need to get a man. A man that you will turn into your slave. That's eat a straw. It may call everything. You know, suck everything dry. Take all he has and not what he's willing to give. Do you understand?
Yes, madam.
You have it.
But how am I going to make him do whatever I want?
Have you seen yourself in the mirror before? Do you need me to get you a mirror so you can see how you look?
No.
Is it front side? Then your dog pointed. Or is it back side? Everything is set. You're a woman. A beautiful one at that. So use what you have and get it all.
Yes, madam.
You have it. But you need to start going now. Get going, okay? There's no time.
I'll see you when I return.
I will see you when you return.
Thank you.
I'll see you later. Now.
Baby, you can't be here.
Baby, I want to sweep for love. Give me, make I sweep for love.
I saw the posters. What did you commit that a bounty was placed on your head?
Forget those idiots. You know, just work no dead inside now. Just the warm everywhere up, maybe not lost. Not I've taken care of all of them.
My father saw it. And he cautioned me never to be with you again.
What? Is he aware of the kind of love I have for you? Why ain't go reason like that, man? Your father and I will both tell. I ain't go to reason that kind of nonsense.
Oh, baby, I know, but you have to go, please. I don't want to have problem with him.
Okay, let me respect him because he's your father. I will go on one condition. We are seeing that to our usual spot tonight.
I'm not promising you that.
That means I'm not living here now. You never even hug me, just speak English. That's what we go there. Oh, my baby.
I'll come.
You come, eh?
Mm.
Say no more. Listen, I mount 4 men for you. Nobody be near you.
Just go. Bye-bye.
As usual.
I'm impressed. You didn't do badly for your first day.
Thank you, ma.
Nice. You don't call me ma. You call me mother hen.
Sorry, mother hen.
That's right. Wow. I'm impressed.
But there is a man that didn't pay me.
Who be that?
I asked him for my money after sleeping with me, but he refused.
If you see this man, if you recognize him, or even in car.
Yes, I have his plate number.
You took his plate number.
Yes.
You're actually smarter than I thought. See, babe, now. You get front, you get back, you still can't get sense.
Thank you, ma. Oh, sorry, mother hen.
Don't worry. You get used to it. You try. Take this. That is for your upkeep. You know, the harder you work, the better you get. And as time they go, if they get better, your pay going to increase. Do you understand? You see? Good. Tell me. Eh? Which man go look your body finish like this? You no go stand. That man no get sense. Have you ever been with a woman before?
No.
You have not. So you never feel soft touch like this before? Eh? Come on now. There is a lot you need to learn in this business. You don't just stay with men for money. Women can also pay you to be satisfied. Look at. I never touch you. You don't stand. Come, let me go and show you something. Come, get your bag. Come. Get your bag, get your phone. Let's go. Come! It's my room. Let me show you.
You won't go fetch water?
Yes, Papa.
By this time?
Yes.
See, hear what I want to ask you. I hope say that rascal no be here where you from they go. Because I pass am for road.
Papa, who be rascal?
What do they call him? Shana be waiting.
Papa, Shana no come this house. No be here Shana come.
You know your pale. You know your pale well. Anytime when I see you, And that boy, when they call Shana together, na kwaila go kwai you.
Papa, you just dey come back from work. Eh? You never even rest. They talk about how you go buy your pikin. Papa, please just go inside and rest. Me and Ashana, we're no longer dating again. You say we should stop. We have ended it. Let me go and fetch water. There's no water at home. Papa, go inside and rest now.
My eye there. Everywhere they watch you.
No problem. I will come back on time.
Refi.
Move it. The general mama. Hi. You too much, mama. I say you too much. Now you get this area now. After you, mama.
Me again.
Weather. Mama, you know say, sometimes I dey wonder how I for the manage as DPO without your support. It ain't for bad, oh. It ain't for bad, water. But you dey here now.
I did, full ground.
Anybody wey no sabi you for this town, now be say the person just enter town today.
No be little do. Huh? Whether na boy or na man or na woman or na young lady, now be say the person just enter a minute ago. Because within 10 minutes, he go not sabi my name.
Oh yeah? Mama the general. Now you get area. No competition.
Let them try.
No competition.
Let them try.
Mama, what about money for the guns now? How far?
So you won't collect them for outside there. Abi, you no go come inside, make I do your normal abacha, don't pour beer, see they like them.
Plus other things make you pull out.
Now you sabi.
Lauren, can you imagine? What nonsense! Imagine, when I even heard that you've joined cults and prostitution, I couldn't even believe it. What kind of life is this?
You know what? Just don't come close to me. Just shift aside. You stink! Shift!
Of course, Lauren. I know I stink, but I'm far better. I'm better than bringing shame upon my family. Look at you. Look at what you've become of yourself.
And how is it your business with whatever I choose to do with my life? How is it your business? No, talk to me. How is it your business? Yes, of course. Now I can feed myself. I can clothe myself, unlike when I was dating you.
Lauren.
I can't even imagine how I was hungry. Like, I can't imagine the pain I was going through. All because I was involving myself with a poor church rat like you.
Do you know what? I was even beginning to think you are a reasonable and a good girl. Come to think of it, that you are a prostitute. Shame on you.
Get out!
Nonsense.
Get lost! You're not worthy of talking to me like that. How dare you? Look at him. Oh, jeez. I will sure deal with you. I am not done with you. I don't ever want to see you close to me again. Ever again. Just go. Stupid. I am not done with you.
There she is. There she is. I want this babe.
You don't know her.
Who she be? Who she be? See, I like her innocency. Now, wetin attract me to her be that.
Ashana baby that.
Who be Ashana? Who dash monkey banana? Wetin they talk?
I swear. Na Ashana babe.
Pa, babe, see, make I tell you. I get any babe who I won't get. No, they talk about who be Ashana. See, no, they mention that name where I did again. You know who they talk to you? I say I want this babe. And this babe, you must get me. You dey hear me?
Nabi say you want war between you and Ashana now.
No.
I saw you be.
Why you dey miscap? Na me o. Na me be caterpillar omo why? Akwonachi omo. President omo shawo north, south, east and west. Mbula alert, presidential alert. Wetin you dey talk? Ejego mo kumo na ta my lighter. Ekwesu my scores be mu ni igwe. Si ma akwonachi omo, Etiko the woo. Girl, I want this babe to myself. And that's final. You dey tell me who be?
Baby, you have to tell me the truth. Wait first.
Which truth again?
What exactly did you do?
Okay, because of those posters. I want small boy, yo. You know, this new generation Gen Z people, they don't get respect again. The boy insult my mama. My hand touch and small. We just warm him up. We don't even share our true color.
He insulted your mother.
He insulted my mom now. That was why I dealt with him. Now his people were like, we don't go grill, we know. As you know, they're mad. We're not trained on our own. So they started saying they must go down because I touched one of their own. I said, okay. As they did 10, we talk that thing. 7 don't go down, man 3. Who is losing?
What he did was wrong.
And he insulted my mother.
You did right.
How? You see, I go buy you beer. No, my mouth is a drink now. I go buy you malt. You know why I like you? They talk truth. Not just you judge this thing.
But babe, even though I told you to be careful in this our community, I was so worried when I saw the posters.
Nothing the sup now. Nobody's Zuzu around there. I may be the only one of this community. Who want prize now?
But my father saw the posters. Now he have warned me to stay away from you. He said that he's going to buy me.
Your father should calm down now. Your father should be calming down. Will he debt you? How does he get himself? I'm sure if someone insults you or his mother, he will do worse. Leave those people now. Fight while he pass. I know they need help. Yeah? I've been talking too much. Let's kiss more now.
I will not kiss you.
What is it again?
You are still smoking.
Don't do this now. Smoking, you can't stop us. The way I climbed from Arizona, SK, loud. So I'm going back now. I've left loud. I came back to Arizona and I stepped it down to SK. So very soon now I'll do the normal drill and stop.
So you mean you're not going to stop?
And now I'm going back. We are retrieving. Very soon I'll finish.
Then I will not kiss you.
No, now the retrieving is the last step now. Do you want me to go and kiss another person? Oh, another one.
Fine girl. Yes, you said.
Who are you?
You don't need to know who I am. But who sent me, now you go to ask me. And you go like her. Trust me.
I don't understand what you mean. Like, you just stopped me.
Not the wrong. Come close. Why the wrong now? Not the wrong.
What exactly do you want from me?
What exactly do you want from me, English girl? My madam say make I tell you. Say in like you. He won't see you.
Me?
Yes.
What does that mean?
He must go. Mabiega, make me. I'm saying, I know different now. Kill you.
What just happened? Ha! Oh. Same person no go see for this.
Enough. Dress up, go get ready for work.
No. Let's go one more.
Hey, it's okay. You're too sweet. You'll give me diabetes. Go and make money.
But Mother Hen, you know I don't like men. I hate that gender.
Who cares? Money needs to be made. Go make us some money!
You know, sometimes I want to hate you. But I don't know. You're too beautiful. I can't even hate you.
I'm glad you know.
Come here. Where you there, sis?
Papa, I go fetch water now.
You go fetch water? Since that time? Make no be like say, you go to see that rascal.
Papa, I shall not be rascal.
What you call him? See now, person where a mama and a papa call him Okechukwu. And he go throw down Okechukwu, throw him inside bush. Come the answer, Shina, I be waiting. Why no no?
Papa, why are you bringing this thing up now? Eh? Now you talk say me I stay away from Ashana. You see me with Ashana today. Now what I go fetch now?
Same day.
Yes, Papa.
You know your pale now. You know me well. Anytime, any day, where I see two of you together, I go pay you. I go buy you. Try me.
Baba, calm down now, eh? Now if you hold, and Papa, you know if you buy your daughter, now only me you get.
Okay.
Make I go cook food for you.
Okay, try me.
What is this now? Why you chase my customer?
I don't talk to anybody now. I don't change them. You just see me begin wrong.
What's bring you here? You know say you're not supposed to be here. You know what's going to happen if you come.
No verse now. They are not my Malay shop. I won't come drink small with my guys.
I beg. See, no free drink for my bar today. Oh.
No food for a lazy man. I brought my Korean name in a restaurant.
Don't they owe me too much?
Hey, I go pay for today now, but one drink small, no will something our throat. I beg. Not be here again. Global mama, for the grace. After you now stay you.
Well, who they here? I better come serve them.
Mama,
I go pay.
Mama skin full, no worry. Mama skin full, no worry.
Who they there now?
When I don't get all of them down.
We don't buy all of them, but you remain one.
Make you no worry yourself about that one where remain. Based on who we be, we go still tidy and what.
No man.
But find them before he find you. Because if he first find you, mind them.
Sure. Everywhere good.
We go run now.
Everywhere good.
If you are weak, you have to be strong.
Find me better smoke. Nanampadi or Bana or Dakobini.
Give me anything, I beg.
I don't care waiting them daily, but I own the streets. I own the streets. You don't own the streets. Now we get the streets. I own the streets. I own the streets. Now me get the streets.
Come on, now. Give me that. You know, everybody will see you collect food. No be this. I said people. I bet. Shanty. I bet you're gonna see you just buy one day. Tomorrow morning I don't see you now. They will say you don't die.
She declined the offer. And I tell you, say, Shana baby.
You no go ever mention that name for where I dey again. You dey hear me? Shana now. Open somewhere swag. No, tell me. I want that girl. And I must get that girl. No try him again.
I believe you.
Come on for here. Go make money for me.
The more bodies you have on the street, the more you draw attention. And if people begin to protest about insecurity on the street, our dear DPO will be a friend. They will just come out and for here. I don't tell you this, but you know what, listen. What's happen now?
They don't price. They must collect. They even get mine. Put price for my head. Me will be a Shana.
You know, say they watch you now. Nothing will happen to you. As long as I'm alive, nothing will happen to you.
Well, I know say everywhere good for me, but my friends, they keep following me, risking their lives without knowing that I have extra protection from you.
That one are their problem, oh. You see? That one are their problem. Now them choose to follow you. And you know say, you know go divulge our secret to them. No tell them anything, oh. My own not to protect my son, make sure nothing happen to my son. Not being friends. And they could stop this killing already now. Waiting be this. The more you do this thing, the more we lose our chances of freedom.
Bye, Honor. I don't hear you, man. I don't hear you, Global Mama. I don't hear you. I go soft pedal. Any operation there?
The DPO say, yeah, I say he did. Say he go send the gun for the operation.
As usual.
Who owns the streets? The street is like a jungle. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I can't believe that after all my hard work and the money I earned, she gave me just little.
It's like you want to die. Do you want to die?
No.
Then let her not hear this from your mouth. If you want to be alive.
Is she that dangerous?
I can see you're tired of being alive. Just be given a proper accounting, full details of the little one you've gotten. Because, after all, you were not getting such before joining the business.
I'm sorry, but to me, this is not fair.
Nothing is unfair, my dear. Now she start this business. Now she be the head. So anything where she talk, now we got to do. You understand? So, you give you an accounting. Anyone where she give you, just collect her. The money, just the park. You get, just the park. Don't do as if you don't know anything.
The streets. The street is like a jungle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you are weak, you have to be strong. No space for the weak. No space for the weak. I don't care what them tell you, but I own the streets. The streets, the streets. I own the streets. The streets, the streets. You don't own the streets. The streets, the streets. Now we get the streets. The streets, the streets. I own the streets.
Good afternoon.
Wow. You're so beautiful. Oh my God.
Man, I granite I dey sell.
I beg no verse. How much you dey sell your groundnut?
This cup na 300 naira. The other one na 500 now.
500 and 300. Make I see everything. Wetin be your name?
Man, I granite I dey sell.
I know I'm buying. I go buy everything.
Ma, you for tell me say na joke you wan joke with my goods.
Do I look like a clown to you? I want to pay for everything. How much is it?
Are you serious?
Yes.
You want to buy everything?
As long as it will make you happy.
Okay. Everything is... I'll sell it for you 3,000.
I'll pack it now. So will you tell me your name now?
My name is Chisimdio. My friends call me Cindy.
Chisimdi.
Yes.
Can I be your friend?
Yes, so as far as I say, you will buy everything by yourself.
I don't mind buying everything. You can even bring it to my house, you know. I can always buy everything from you. Huh?
you don't serious.
Don't pack them now. If you don't want to sell them, you pack them.
3,000.
Okay, I give you 5,000.
No killing of anybody. I beg. Make una just go collect the money, bring her here for me. No killing of anybody. Shall I hear me, sir?
No wahala, we don't hear.
Mama, I promise you, as we dey go there, we no go buy anybody.
Nah, me, I know they for that one, oh. I know they for that shinda show. Anybody wear price, go pay, oh.
Calm down.
Killer, mother no kibu.
I beg, no killing of anybody.
Killer.
No, don't hear him. No killing of anybody, I beg. Now the money I want.
Mama, we go collect the money, come back. You no go hear bad news. Nobody go die.
Yeah. The policeman go follow now. Make it for inspection.
I know they like these people. I know like your face. You wear black and black. How we go to work? Make you they go. I'm capable. I know they like police. Are they capable? Don't near me.
No. That one I lose guarding, no.
Mommy. We don't need them now. We they capable.
Mama, this one no day game now.
The spirit know the balance. I know the see. We dey okay, guys. Don't near me. I don't like your face. No near me. No, we lock out.
Mama, hey, don't do it.
See, don't follow me. I don't like your face. We okay. Mommy.
I'm gonna go stampede them for road. Make you not blow us.
I know.
My daughter, what happened? You just said all the ground without wasting time today.
Papa, you not seeing it. I sold everything to my greatest surprise.
How?
Papa, I met this lady. I don't know her from anywhere. And she bought everything. Papa, not just that. She promised me that anywhere, any place she sees me, she go buy everything what I get.
My daughter, you mean say one woman buy all the granite?
Yes, so Papa, she buy everything to my greatest surprise.
Do you thank the woman?
Papa, very well now. And Papa, she said that any place, anywhere she see me, she go dey buy everything what I carry.
That woman, she dey say the granite Abi, she won't chop am.
Papa, how that one take consign us? Whether she dey shop am or she dey sell am. I made good profit today, and we should be happy about that now.
See, make it not be like say, nah, those women where they look for a small pikin where they go take something from you.
Papa, wetin my fellow woman they find for me, You know, just happy say I said this thing come back now. Now you talk say I come back early. Now you see they complain about that I sold everything. Papa, which kind of thing be this now? Papa, which one be again?
My daughter, you will not understand. See, in this our area, there are still good people, oh. Good people there. But the bad one, plenty pass the good people, oh. And another thing, we say, you know, say, you fine, eh? But I did sorry say, now this area, now I train you, eh? You know, they give me that happy way, what I want. Eh? As per say na your pale why be.
Papa, you know, just like say your pikin go market, come back with empty tray. You just want to spoil my mood. Wetin happen for?
Who the Zuzu? Who the Brits?
Who the Brits?
One try last Saturday. Calm down, though.
Calm down.
Yeah, calm down, though. Let me play. Let me play with the play for you.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Mende. Street will keep playing abuse. Forget GTB, please use my OPay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay. I'm not afraid. I will explore. I was raised in ghetto. Nothing can stop me. We rule this town. I am the captain. You cannot stop me.
You see, woman, you see you. Nothing will happen. If you say you know my guy, for who's you slam, now everything we do on that skirt you go follow. You do Jones?
Nah, you goes you now. What's happened now?
You don't know who be that?
Nah, calm down. Hey, relax now. See babe now. See this babe now. The babe go well now. The babe set now. Must see shape now. What? How do they stop me now? What's happened now?
Nah, Shanti babe.
What's gonna happen? Shanti babe. Nah, guy, I want this babe. Guy, inga nyungwa. I want them.
Let me say you want your death. You know who be that?
Who should be now?
Nah, shut up, babe.
And so what? You don't marry him. Guy, you don't marry him. See, ma tell you. See that baby? I want him.
You want your death?
Guy, I want him muscular man.
Nah, guy, I know they like this kind of thing. Now
Small thing you gonna fear. Now, calm down.
I was gonna say you know be my guy now.
You are young guy.
No go spoil my mood.
Now you calm down. Ma tell you.
Mr. Andrew, please calm down. Calm down and listen to me. Please.
I'm not going to do that. Mr. DPO, you want me to calm down?
Yes.
No. I'm not going to do that. Never. Because I know how my younger brother suffered to raise money that those idiots took away from me. No. A property that I have already concluded with the owner to be purchased today. Gone. The money gone. You're asking me to calm down. Along with some costly items that was shipped for me to sell. All of them gone. You are telling me to calm down. I have had more than enough news of this robbery in this community. And I'm not going to take it lightly again.
Mr. Andrew, I know exactly how you feel. Believe me, I do.
DPO, you don't know.
I do. Listen to me. My boys and I are working around the clock to make sure we apprehend these criminals. In less than no time, it will happen. I promise you. Yes.
DPO.
Yes.
I don't need your promise. Keep it to yourself. Because I know how you used to promise people that was stole from. And you did nothing. You know what? I will take this matter up to the commissioner. Oh yes.
No, Mr. Andrew, it has not come to that. For this local matter, I want to take it to the commissioner. No, it has not gotten beyond me. You don't know me. Why don't you just give me some time? A little time.
DPO.
Yeah?
I'm giving you 3 days. Just 3 days. And if nothing is done, I will involve the commissioner. Because my younger brother will not labor in vain just for those idiots, those hooligans, to take everything away from us.
No, it is not going to happen. I promise you. It won't happen. 3 days is fine. Thank you for that. Within 3 days, you'll see action. Something will happen. This is me.
My daughter, how are you?
Fine. Papa, I brought your food.
Thank you very much, my daughter. My beautiful daughter.
Papa.
Thank you very much.
Papa, don't you rest at all. Since morning. Papa, you just dey here, dey work. You don't know say you don't old.
Daughter, what I go do now? You know say this man don't pay for this work now. And we don't chop the money. Eh? If I no finish am now, I will go take the eat again. Eh?
Papa, it will be well, eh? Anyways, I prepare this food specially. Please just go and have your food. This work, your daughter will complete it. Oh, yeah, Papa.
You go feed am?
Now.
Abeg, no wound yourself.
Set up a meeting between me and Alhaji. Okay?
Why? No be Grace suppose run this thing now.
You blind? You know they see? Say I dey busy. Come out for this place. Go do wetin I say make you do.
Yes.
How dare you? Tell me, how dare you? What's gonna happen? No try him again. I don't want vex. No try him again. What did they do you?
Why you lie to me now?
I said, why you lie to me? So now because of you, mother hen sidelined me. So now because of you, my lover. No, now I go fuck you all. The Chris. Sophia, you know say you know if you try am. No, you know if you try am. They say small body no be sickness. They say see on small body, now full sickness big time. No try this shit with me again. No just try am with me. If you try, I go pull hand for your eye. I go pull hand for your eye. No try am again. Grace, they talk to me. Calm down. My first lover, the first girl where I wait for. You understand? I go fuck you up. If you try that shit again, I'll mess you up. And because I keep this calm, crib. No, because I keep calm. No, who you be? And you carry me come house. Who you be? Okay. Who you be? No try am again. No try am again. Okay, now what's in the vest you? Now mother hand the vest you? Eh? I don't chop am. And I go to chop am. I go chop am clean mouth. You don't have to do anything. No, who you be? Since I have to carry yash. This small yash, you know, be sickness. No try him again. If you choke me again, I'll do something where you go regret. Don't try him. Don't try him with grace.
You like it?
Yes.
I'll buy you more now. I don't think of fit my baby.
But I can't take it.
Why? Why?
My father.
What if you concern your father with the gift now?
I won't let him to see me wearing something from you. He hates you.
Now you go tell her what happened. Now you supposed to see me as in son-in-law now. Because okay, man, I come pay your bride price. Make everybody rest.
My father can never give me out to marry you. Remember, he saw the poster that a bounty was placed on you. That made him hate you. Like, you don't even want to hear anything about you.
See, this is why your papa won't come to block our love. See, no worry. Enjoy your necklace. I will handle your papa. No worry. Now my fellow man, my fellow is going to see me as a in-law. Don't worry, eh? It's too beautiful to return now. You want to return my love?
I will not return it, but just remove it from my name.
Hide it from him.
I'll
Tell him you
hide
bought
it.
it.
I'll hide it. Remove it then. I'll hide it. I want to come and
If you leave it, remove it. Remove it, yes, to show rejection. Stop now. I'll cry you.
Don't cry, I'm going to.
Oh, I beg you.
DPO.
General.
You look worried.
Yes, I am worried because there's a problem. A very big problem.
What is the problem? That man must be handled immediately.
Before Uncle. But this make me like to keep people. If I keep people, I go save the drama. Nobody go wake up talk rubbish.
If they're killing people, they bring trouble for us.
But now you want me I go keep us.
That man, if you know handle him well, killing him will be a problem. But you need to see how worried DPO was.
Hey, but Male, who died? No, they go court. Okay, I kill him. You say I kill him now. No peace, no. Everywhere go rest because you no go talk.
Kill him.
Case closed.
No be die, he go die.
He pass people who don't die. No people how many people died today for
I
abroad.
beg you, Joe. Kill him. Go chop sandwich.
Hello? Hello? Yes. I said they took everything from me. As in everything gone. No. Well, I have reported the matter to the police already. I need you to help me report this to higher authority. Okay? You know the security of this town is furious. And I feel so unsafe right now. See, you need to come to my aid. Okay? No, I wasn't wounded. All right. But one more thing, please. Okay? I need you to rescue this once peaceful town from miscreants who vowed to terrorize the people living in this town. I'll be so happy. Okay. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm trying to remember your name.
Madam, if they buy groundnut, I think they buy groundnut. I don't have that time.
Oh, can we just go to my car and talk?
Your car? I don't have any business inside your car. Please, are you buying or not?
Why are you being so harsh to me? I just want to be your friend. Okay, fine. I'll buy everything you are selling. Are you okay now? Let's go to my car and talk. Come on now, let's go.
What do you want from me?
What do you mean, what do I want from you?
Because you're always buying all I sell.
Are you not always selling granite or pear or something? Like, I just want to be your friend. Okay? Can we just go to my car and talk? Come on now. I don't bite.
Baby, what's up?
What do you mean? What are you doing here?
Calm down now, son. Now. Relax now. If I come see you now, see, I'll tell you, I'll play you tape. See, honestly, I'm not gonna lie you. For this area, I don't observe you since. And baby, you set. You don't enter my eyes. Honestly, baby, I like you. You're too fine, and you be finest girl for this area. And they play you tape. Listen me now. For this
Oga, I don't know your name. I don't know where you're coming from. But the only thing you have to do for me now is to leave my father's compound. Go.
Baby, listen, the man tell you, I mean they call smart, and me are smart, and as it is be now, see, baby, me I will do anything for you. Just relax now, just give me a chance now, Just give me a chance, I will do anything for you. Don't forget that guy now. Now me, I mean they call smart. Just relax now, Now you, the love when I get for you, and I love at the first sight.
Smart.
The very first time when I see you, you
smart.
enter my eyes.
Smart.
Calm down.
As you have told me your name, I've heard it now. Leave my father's compound.
Baby, listen now.
Go.
Baby, wait now.
Okay, leave my father's
wait,
compound.
Just wait now. Wait, just give me a chance. I will make everything. I will just explain everything to you.
You will not like.
Baby,
just leave this compound now.
Why she no want me? My steez no complete. I be my composure lack 10%. If na fine, I know say I be milkshake. If na alert, I know say I be presidential alert. So wetin come dey happen now? Wetin come dey solve?
You know I would have said something, but then it will annoy you.
Then you keep it to yourself!
Nah, guy, you fuck up. Oh. I swear, you fuck up. You don't even reason like my man at all. What did they happen, sef? Wait till I tell you, say me leave that girl. Leave that girl alone. That girl no be only fine girl within this village.
Guy, no be him now. Guy, the man attacked me first now. The man won't buy me. Guy, what do you want me to do? I self-defense me I collect now. I got position myself. Let me say, guy, I don't mean to buy the man. I don't mean him.
Omo, you fuck up. Oh. Wait till I know you don't even reason like my guy at all. Wait till even carry you go the compound self. Nah, I don't understand you this time.
Guy, no long talk. See, as you be now, I jump up with the bent thing. See, the movement me a day. You get, I gotta leave this town. Bro.
Movement?
Yes, nah.
Movement?
What do you want me to do?
Omo, if you dey leave, OYO, you are on your own. You dey hear me? You on your own. I don't follow you commit crime. I don't follow you kill anybody. You on your own. If you want to leave, come out, Omo, for this town. This town, man. I will get this town.
Wait, bro. Bro, what's up now? You know my guy now. Bro, on how you be, no matter where we go survive. Guy, see, by as matter don't be now. You don't maybe say you don't be normally, move. I know say if Ashana find me, you know see me. I know say he go come for you. I know, and me, I know say you know rugged.
Come for me.
Calm down, bro. Me not smart, We can move together.
Oga, me I know they follow you go anywhere. This town na my town. I know they follow you go anywhere. And only you commit this crime. You understand? Me, I know they follow you go anywhere. Omo. Rather, I go tell Ashana, say, see what you do. Nothing concern me. Omo.
Guy.
Omo, leave me now. What did they happen now? What did they solve? Why you can't hold my cloth?
Relax face. Wait. What did they solve now? What did you talk?
Omo,
Wait. You won't go report me, give Ashana? On which level now? As in, what you can be the one?
I don't tell you. They're your own from today. I don't know you. In short, I don't know you.
Hey, guy, calm down.
I don't know you.
Relax first. Relax. We could figure things out now. We could move together. See, guy, now my guy you be now. What is up now? Why they do like this now? Forget, no tell Ashana. Make we move. Bro, no go fuck up. What you sup?
I don't, as I talk again, I don't tell you again. Omo, this thing in my town. I don't really go anywhere. I'll go tell Ashana what you do. Omo,
So you be?
get out.
Hi, how are you? What's up? I don't think we jump out together now. Boy, don't fuck up. Guy, don't fuck up.
Hurry, Hal, I'm waiting for you. What's keeping you? My baby girl.
This should be mine.
Of course, toast. For friendship.
Okay. Good friendship.
It's nice, right?
I love it.
Wow.
I need another one.
Oh. Good. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Let me try. Finish mine.
So how are you?
I'm fine. What about
I'm just kind of, I don't know.
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure. Fine. It's kind of, I'm feeling dizzy, I don't know.
Dizzy?
It's just my head.
Seriously?
I feel I need to relax my head now.
Yeah, you have to. You really have to. Sorry. Sorry, okay? You really have to relax, okay?
What's going on here? What's with this? Where is Sandra? And what have you done? What have you done to her?
Nothing, my darling. The right question here should be, what has she done to you? Because if not because of her, I'm not going to see this video. That's to show how cheap you are. Under how many hours you are here.
You're very cheap. You're so cheap. You're not ashamed of yourself. I have the video. What did you talk? What did you get? That's a video.
These people get mind by your babe, Papa. They don't touch the tiger's tail, oh. They don't price. And they must pay.
Normally now. Then gas pay now. Be the price market where you no go fit buy.
You don't do. Console yourself. If you see the person who do this thing, you fit identify him.
Yes.
If you see him, you go know.
Yes.
If you see him, you go know.
Yes, I know his name.
You know his name. It's okay. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more.
How you be say she mark the person face, but just for her to point, make we stampede the person.
Second, we don't carry on the thing now. I will tell you about they play.
This boy is still around. What is he still doing here now? This boy hasn't gone out yet. What is he doing?
Who owns the streets? The street is like a jungle, yeah, yeah, yeah. If you are weak, you have to be strong. No space for the weak, no space for the weak.
What's wrong with him now? Where has he gone to?
I don't care what them tell you, but I own the streets, the streets, the streets. I own the streets, the streets, the streets. Just own the streets, the streets, the streets.
Where has he gone to now? Eh?
I own the streets, the streets, the streets. I own the streets, the streets.
DPO Nyenkem. What's up now? Waiting there. Don't worry, not yet. But by tomorrow morning, he's a dead man. When you will come? What? What did you just say?
Jerry, but now you be like this, eh? Your wife don't gas, oh. Area don't scatter, oh. Things no day as it day before. So me, I suggest, make we cut out, make we tear race, make we bounce, come out for the hood.
Arizi, wetin be your problem? What did they do you now? Who could bands come up for who now? Who they run for? I don't understand you, bro.
About make you match am. I say make you match am on how you want remain for the area, eh? Now be say you won't risk your life no dey important to you again. You won't go by yourself for nothing.
We make us ask you something. What did they try to make we leave Ashana bounce?
Who be Ashana? I say who goes Ashana for the area? Who goes him? Make I tell you well, how you see me like this, eh? I want the checkmate him. I want the counter-motion him. I want the matching hierarchy for the area. Eh? You see Ashana, eh? We and Nam know they play the same game. Ashana they do juju. Ashana they do jazz. A mama don't fortify and finish.
Arizi.
We and Nam. They face bullet. We run, we scamp, we tear race. Ashana stand. Waiting give a mind.
Arizi. You be like say you got another thing where you don't smoke, Abi. You don't smoke another thing, Abi. What did they talk, Seth? I don't say you don't get what you want to talk, Abi. If you don't get talk, make close your mouth.
I say make you match me again. I don't talk. You can't touch me for the area.
See, don't make me proud. Which kind of talk with that one now?
For survival for the hood, eh?
I'm not waiting now.
I say matcham. Survival for the hood. Now based on the principle of if only Mengulu can tell.
Now who want kill us now?
Now
who want kill us now?
The pipe low. I said I go follow your hand. You don't lose guard though.
Arize, if you don't get what you want to talk, better keep quiet. I don't want change that for you.
You don't make remote.
I don't want change that for you.
If you cap one more time, I go stampede you.
Die down of it.
I said I go stampede you.
Arize, calm down, no.
Die that talk. Die that talk. Come on, get that talk. Die that talk.
What are you talking about nonsense now?
You see
what you stop now?
See you. For this nonsense where you just come for here. My about to God will make me and you.
Now say you be my man, no.
I don't mark your face. I don't mark your face.
Eh.
Much God.
Now like.
So you get mind. They cheat on me. How dare you?
Mother hen. You slapped me.
I will slap you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it. I'm sorry.
You foretell me now. No, you foretell me, say you dey make a fool of me out there. Make I know now. You get mind to cheat on me. See you.
Mother hen, you should know that this is a mistake. Sophia set me up. She did. You know, there's no how I would cheat on you. I can never cheat on you. It was a mistake.
Caressing the girl. She was making out to you like...
I'm sorry.
You fuck up. You see...
Get bad news.
You see this? I'm not done. Get out.
Mama to God, we fall our hand, we lose God well. I dey provoke. How come I will not buy that man?
Sit down, man. If I capture him, I will sit down before I roast him alive.
Hey!
Yeah, man.
That's your match I'm there. Man, tell me your match I'm there. Who goes that man?
I think they want you. I didn't look for you. I know they look for you.
I said make you match I'm there because I know stampede you at the top of the car. I go stampede you here now. Who goes this man?
I think it's a freestyler, no worry, just freestyler. All this is where they do now. If you shoot me, all because they gone there. If you shoot me, the info why I carry come for senior man and Shana, that one go follow me die. Now you shoot me, no be come with this.
Senior boy.
I dey para for me, sir.
Where you call Shana?
Nah.
Nobody wants to see you.
I want to know who.
I mean they call Oluku. They don't blame you, Shai, because Kala dey your front. Senior man, see your guys they para me. Me will be Minister of Informate.
Relax, not the shop right you talk. What did happen? Now to use you do ritual sharpers, but I not be ritualist. What in the song?
You know me now. If you do that one, informate 0-0. See, senior man, I carry one verified informate come for you now, but finally, come with your price. And me, as you know me, I'm not greedy. Just one rap, I'm okay, I'll rap.
Cause you know everything where you gonna do, so man, everything you gonna give and smoke.
You know you're Canada go say.
Oh, I'll give you now. After all, now the same thing they take. I value that one pass money.
I hold this one first. Take this one guide first. No man, everything everywhere good. Don't worry yourself.
Someone say me give me 3.
Take this one, take guide first. At all.
Okay. Nigeria. So what in this up?
Calm down. Me I dey check whether this one original one.
You no go talk. You that talk. I go stop into you. Who got this one?
Guy, your blood dey hot all the time. Calm down. Your body too dey hot.
Nigeria. What in the happen?
See, senior man, I tell you finally. I go give you the information, but man, I tell you that information. I'll be saying na good news o. Na bad news.
You need to stop crying, okay? Make I tell you something, No amount of tears where you go cry now, if you bring your popsy come back home. Which is why I'm telling you to be strong. You don't need to dey cry now. I dey here, okay? You need to be strong.
Thank you.
Have you eaten?
No.
See now. You have not even eaten. See, you need to eat something, okay? I'll just go out and look for something for you to eat, okay?
No. Don't bother.
I'll have to bother. I want to take care of you. I want to help you, okay? See, make I hand you something. When I lost my dad, na very miserable experience for me. As in, you no good at all. But the difference between me and you be say person dey there for me that time. Which is why I want to be here for you. Make I go find you something to eat. Yeah?
Thank
No
you
dey
so
cry
much.
now. No dey cry. I dey come.
So you get mind, go report us for CP office. Good citizen. You want make CP use us shine, abi? Now what happen?
The match.
You know say we get informant everywhere. Even for that police, we get who they update us. So we do update it. They tell us say na you contact CP say we dey terrorize everywhere. Say make him get us down.
You know say na we be police for the town. He just dey do. Don't see man.
This guy no know say he get people wey be orderly well jenga. You know say we dey above the law. You know say we be outlaw. You know say we get diplomatic immunity. We not supposed to waste time for this guy. You just make we stampede am.
Nah, Male. Everywhere don't cast too. If you see the kind of AK wey dey background, you go say whether na police game they come. Everywhere choke, I kill up and down. If you don't be say I be who I be, I'm not even there. Everywhere don't cast.
Nah, mama, how we entered here, Popo just flew everywhere. Popo just scatter full everywhere. We can't wonder whether I get another thing where they play for this town. We never clear for our eyes. Now based on who we be, now make we still TRS, bounce come out. If not, then for crampus.
Mama, me I don't know that we still dey safe for this town. Because me I don't understand the settings again.
Nah, DPO just give me that shocking news now.
Which shocking news, mama?
Say the man wey una kill just now. Don't already tell the commissioner of police before una kill him.
Okay. No boy. The man don't call DP on a CP. What in the up?
I've been telling you, say make you take action. Take care of that man. You just dey dull my hands. They sluggish.
Man, no be so. My babe in Papa they kill him, so I gas follow up with the killers. My kid them.
You can't go the two on the one wey not the important. Leave the one wey dey important.
My father-in-law to be there. Bufama, they go revenge. You say you know they important.
You don't listen to yourself. Eh? Everything don't cast now. Commissioner don't send all in people them full this town now. So now we're gonna watch our back. All thanks to your stupid decision. Stop, you know they hear. Hey! Yawa gas.
And I no get visa.
That visa was making you not do them again.
I
give you money for passport. Give you money for visa. You not do her.
You think you have won? No, you think you have won by destroying my relationship with Mother Hen, right? But I must tell you something. Do not rejoice, because you have become my enemy henceforth. You wicked soul.
Look who is calling me wicked soul. When Mother Hen left me because of you, did you think how hurtful it was? Do you?
Sophia, I know you can do anything and everything, but I never knew that you bagged a degree in lying. If you would tell yourself the truth, you know you were double dating, even when with a relationship. So what do you expect me to do? To sit down and watch you? Of course not. I had to go to someone bigger than you.
Enough! Enough! Me and Mother Hen ended our things long time ago. When you started flaunting this is your polani, dirty polani to her.
Dirty polani. I just wonder why it's screaming your name. Don't you dare try this nonsense with me. Don't you dare!
I was coming to the station to meet you. There has been siren since yesterday. And gunshots. Are we still safe?
Mama, there are men sent from the commissioner's office, sent by the commissioner himself to sanitize this town. As a matter of fact, I came here to inform you that I will be transferred anytime from now.
What?
Yes.
What then happens to our business?
Oh, it's business you're concerned about. There's a more pressing concern that will land both of us in jail. That is what you should be concerned about.
Which is?
Mr. Andrew. He is still alive.
What?
Yes.
I am disappointed. More than disappointed at the both of you. Wetin be that? No, tell me. Wetin una dey drag? Where una no fit wait to tell me? Where make una dey fight like mad people? No, tell me, wetin be that? She slapped me.
Shut up! Shut up!
Fools! Do you know the challenges that we are facing now? Do you? The security of this town has just been increased due to the recent attempt that was made to someone's life in this area that is connected to the Commissioner of Police. The security of this town has been beefed up, which means we cannot fully operate in the streets. And you know what that means? In case you don't know, if we can't operate, it means we can't make money. I have been ransacking my brain, thinking of how to survive this ordeal. And what the both of you do is fight! 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 Or I'm not going to fight now! Not going to fight! You don't want to fight again? Na kolomenta be una case. Una the case.
One try where Shana did. Come down now.
Where am I lighter?
Yeah. Come down now. No the play. Let me play with the play for you.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka.
What kind of stupid mistake is this now? Eh? When did you start being careless with your job?
Well, we shoot him now. Male, we shoot him.
You shoot him, but he didn't die. And you know why? Because you did not shoot to kill. Eh?
I don't be sniper now, but I dey try. Now I rinse the light up.
Ah!
Yeah, I rinse the light up for chest.
Yeah. Ha! Not be you even kill him. Not be you even shoot him. Now rinse it. What be this now? Eh? When did you start being so careless? When did you start sending a reason to do serious business? You should have shot him and made sure he died before leaving the house.
Mama, I didn't say na starter now. I want make him hand strong. So as I want light, I mean say make him use and test running hand. I say okay, shoot this man. You shoot him. I think say the man don't go overboard.
You see him now? The man did not die. You see him? You keep compounding our problem. From one thing to the other, because of your carelessness. Eh? And let me tell you, the last thing I will ever want is for that man to wake up and begin to point accusing fingers on you and your boys, saying I will not kill him. No, that one, no. We must deal with this case now. Anyhow, anytime.
Mama, Milele, no verse. And a mistake. You know shoot am well.
You know shoot am well. Na mistake. You know shoot am well. Now you go enter. Go finish your work. Go finish your work. And I don't make anything happen to you because you know say if you pay me, I don't pay me.
See you now, see babe. If I dey look you like this, my heart just dey sweet me anyhow. See I bought stuff for you. Check it out now. Hope you like them.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful.
It's not.
Thank you for always calling and coming to check up on me. I really appreciate.
Come on now. See you dey very special to me. You're very special to me. I can do anything for you. Okay?
I'm sorry for being hostile all this while. Pardon me. My name is Chisimdi, but my friends call me Simdi.
Simdi. So do you want me to call you Simdi? So I'm now your friend. So I can call you Simdi. Simdim. Okay. So when are you going to visit my house?
I'll think about it.
Okay. Hope you will not take too long.
No.
At least you don't see say I know the bites now, Abi. And I'm your friend.
Yes.
Okay now. No problem. I'll check up on you again, okay? Take care of yourself.
Yes, thank you again.
They go now, look at me. They enter house. Be good now.
See this matter so this matter like this, no be by that shouldn't that shall, no be by shoot bird, a mama fly. That based on the principle of if one man can tell. You see that man I aim him for close range. I fire him for close range. I been think say I don't buy the man. I don't know what can play out again.
Which kind dirty smelling talk with that one now? Which one be say don't buy the man? Guy, make you the talk well. Which kind smelling talk with that one now?
Nah, but make you match am gear. I don't like the way where you just enter me like this. Who goes you, sef? As soon as they make mistake again.
Which kind smelling mistake with that one now, my guy? I mean, if it's an pang and sense play with they how many years on the road with me? We say just to blow direct shot, you go that they go to Jones.
If you be say senior man dey here, I for just stampede you now.
Bobby, make you focus. You go stampede who?
Don't do it. Why you not the quarrel like market women? When I don't make mistake, you fuck up, you miss targets. Instead of us, the reason like men on how we will go complete the mission. Make the man no wake up, begin sing. If that man wake up, begin sing, I'm busy all of us don't cast. You don't know what he mean? That's danger now. So instead of learning how to complete the job, when they here they talk like market women. I beg you know the hospital where that man there.
Senior man, I know the hospital. And it go make sense. Then we go finish the job once and for all, senior man.
You get one thing why I won't beg you, senior man. On how the matter be like this, where say I shoot the man, come Mr. Get. It can't be like say I don't fall my hand. It can't be like say I don't make remorse, I don't meander, I don't lose guard. I won't beg you for one thing. On how we get better intel, mount back for that hospital. Allow me based on who I be. I won't buy the man myself. I won't be the person to get the final shot on that man.
It isn't about big talk. You go just double man the talk big talk. Now wait to come here, I can't do.
You don't checkmate me again.
Bobby, focus. Bobby, I say make you focus.
Sir, there are a lot of junkies on that street. I mean, too many of them. I wonder what our men have been doing in that street.
Well, it's a rough area. We've been doing our best. But yeah, yes.
So many junkies. And you know that's how criminals are made. Well, I was able to make some arrests today.
Oh, that is beautiful. That is really beautiful. You know, we have been battling this menace for a very long time. So I am happy that you stepped in to assist us. And now you've done something. So that's wonderful. I believe that very soon we're going to see more changes.
Oh, definitely, sir. You rest assured, sir.
Oh, great. Wonderful. What about Mr. Andrew? Any news about him?
Well, he is still unconscious at the moment. But the doctor assured me that he will be fine soon.
Okay. It will be good to see him fine again. Please do update me in case of any development in that direction.
Yes, of course.
I would like to see him recover hale and healthy once again. Yeah?
Of course, I will do that. As a matter of fact, we have a lot of questions to ask him. Yes, I understand there are a lot of armed robbers around that area, and they need to be brought to book.
Yes. They will all be brought to book. All of them.
I'm trying to follow, sir.
Granted.
Guys, Bugatti, you know mad? Guys, Bugatti, go use your head though.
There's trouble. Kasala don't boss. Bros. Hi. Oh, yawa don gas.
Bugatti, I say what this up the talk.
Bros.
What
in they worry you? What in they move you? What in they drive you?
Bugatti.
What is it?
Come on, watch him, Jeff. You want to follow me, cap?
Bugatti, stop tell me what is
up.
You
go enter here, put that kind of chair for my body.
Hi.
Who goes you?
See, No be say as your body they take the hot. Now informate so I carry call here.
I dey talk, I dey hear you. What is up?
See this thing where you do now, don't make me forget what I want to talk.
If you know cap fast now, I say if you know cap fast now, I go stampede you. I go stomp into you now. Who goes you, Bobby?
Every time body go dey hurt you know say as you carry gun you go make mistake shoot me. If you shoot me by now, the information don't go.
Look on the wine man, oh.
See.
No be make it be said the wine man, oh.
I no feel wine you. You now my guy. Just give me one rap, man. Do like this. You go help me remember what I want to tell you.
Jerry.
Rich.
Jerry, give him. Take me smoke. I smoke. Take, light them up.
Bugatti is a big boy. They light.
They talk, man. They hear.
Rich man's sweat is in the city.
Bugatti. Men no get that time. What's in the shop now? You tell me circle about the area now. What's my time?
Calm down now. One day this year, remember what happened. What I want to tell you. See my guy. Now I remember. See, as I dey tell you like this, Ekelebe don't fool everywhere. They don't arrest men anyhow. You see those your boys when they help and they sell Igbo? They don't cap them.
Bugatti, you know the wine man. What's in the shop?
I know the why. I know the one. You know be me information minister. What's it they tell me?
Bugatti.
Since where you don't demand, make I clear you. Since where you don't demand intel for us, where they lose guard us up and down, they make them up and down. I never stampede you. It's for this one. If you lose guard me, my about to God, I don't already mark your face. If you lose guard me, I go stampede you within no go.
Every time you go stampede me and stampede all the information for this stand. Everybody go man.
The pillars.
Because I don't want to talk again.
The pillars.
I say make you scamp.
The pillars.
I say make you scamp.
Bugatti, the pillars.
I make you scamp.
Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Mende. Streets will keep paying our bills. Payday, forget GTP, please use my OPay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay. Not afraid, I will explore.
Boy, now who be the Kelebe for the town now? Nobody goes now.
How dare we get diplomatic immunity.
Normal.
We dey above the law.
Normal.
We be outlaw.
Normal.
And last, we be orderly Jenga.
A boy, still on still.
By creek.
Yeah. Listen, one neck filo. I need this shaki, let me pillow. If you zuzu, you go to hear ratatata. Cause we go give them to you, even rot.
Fine, girl. Yes, you're fine. You're welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Okay, sit down.
Your house is fine. It's very beautiful.
Thank you. Don't call me ma. You can call me Ife.
Okay, ma. Ife.
It's okay. Cindy. Look at you. Do you know you're very fine, girl?
People always tell me that.
That's because it's true. You're very beautiful. Look at your skin. Look at your face. You're very fine. Tell me, do you have a boyfriend? Tell me about your love life. Your relationship.
With men?
Yes. Oh. Do you do women?
No. I have a boyfriend and I love him so much. And I know that he loves me too.
What do I offer you?
Nothing. No. Don't bother you.
You don't expect me to accept that. This is your first day in my house and you must drink something. You know what? Go and get you something to drink. Just make yourself comfortable. See the remote, you can play whatever you want to play, okay?
How you there?
We do.
I beg give me Coke.
Bottle will be plastic.
Plastic one, anyone. Just. Sister, I want high. I don't know. Have you seen where I go feel buy smoke?
You want high?
You
They find now. Some boys they sell for down this junction now. Yes, now.
That place.
That junction.
They will feel say give me.
Only to be the patronize the original one that they sell. Yes, now.
Means some police people they come by from there.
Yes, now. Every day. So you first still go buy your own for them.
Okay. How much is this one?
500.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for today. I really enjoyed myself.
You're welcome. I hope we'll do this again.
Yes. You have been so nice to me. You're a good person.
You're very special to me. And you know I can do anything for you, right?
Yeah, I want to go inside and rest.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Your fingerprints. So you don't know your limits again. You don't know your boundary. What did they do with my babe?
It be like say that any fine girl where you see, wear fair. Wear a black top, you go stop and they ask them what you need to do with your babe.
For example, who won't toast you? What did they do with Simdi?
Simdi na your babe.
No, na my driver. You know say on the norms, we suppose dey prison now, they do 14 years. Because you don't knock all the babes wey dey around here. What did make you there outside because the government never near this side? No do that nonsense, come where my babe dey. You want fingerprint my babe? If I see you with Simdi again, you no go like what I go do you. Avoid that one, you dey mad me.
Person no tell you.
So them.
Akawara algo ofuma. Number akwonachi umu. President Oma Shawo, North, South, East, and West. Now I can play a league cassette. I take my come more time like my lighter. I person know my swag. Bemuni Sima Kunachi Omo. You go the woo. Next time when you stop me talk this kind, it be like say, it be like okay now It be like say you the wine abi.
You don't sing finish.
I don't praise finish.
If I see you near Cindy again, I go bury you alive.
What can you do? What can you do? Asara! Ibo obele nwa dey pampas. Ibo obele nwa dey pampas. Na tata mechi ona beti na akwa. Guy, ebe abo ogbe. You want a street I wali here. We go see now. See small pikin. Church rat. They set trap for cars. What the why me now? Ana aboga ashani Etiko. Mommy's boy. Ewu outside.
I've been looking everywhere. Since I know if it's smoke, I know it'll be myself again.
Bukati, onye nwa afia, ezigboto onye afia, onye nwe na nampadi, onye nwe da kopini, onye nwe kwana.
Oga no dey why me? Say dey why me ni? Why dey why me like this now? Which day cat and rat become friend? Why can't they give me all this title, all this hyping like say you be hype MC? Which one be that one? Talk wetin you want talk abeg. I know say you want talk something.
How can you come dey checkmate me? You come dey counter motion me? You can't match my hierarchy. I think so I be your guy. Eh?
Okay, I know they like this thing. All this thing where they talk now, they talk. As they see me, you supposed to see say, my hand don't dry. I know they get joy as I dey like this. Tell me what you want. Tell me.
Bukati, the thing wey carry me come be say, you get one small info. Why I want make you help me confirm. Eh?
You say you want make I help you gather some info.
Make you mount intel for me via my guy.
So and you don't know what you supposed to do. You just dey talk like that, like say you don't know what you supposed to do. And since you don't know now, forget carry your
Make you match am. I Sabina and I mean no be hard way again. Eh?
I no talk say I want smoke. If they see me dey smoke cigar, I no want cigar no dey high.
No be cigar be this one now. This one na camouflage. You don't forget say clever dey.
Hey.
Na camouflage now.
Hey.
That one na confirm that could be me.
Where your lighter?
I still give you spark. Eh?
No vex. You know say I no trust you, man. Check am.
Nah, don't they lose guard though. This small info why what make you help me get. You can't use me play.
Chai, Ogbeni, don't finish business with this.
So now,
correct.
Enough now. I don't get time.
What you say make I do?
I want make you help me mount intel on Ashana. You don't tell why don't they suspect. So Ashana they do jazz. Help me confirm on how you confirm them. This one now, why I give you so now one tap. I will give you one bag of banana.
One bag.
One bag of banana.
Just you want me go visualize.
Mount surveillance. Mount intel.
Whether your guy they use jazz. I think say na your guy.
You don't lose guard though.
Officer. This one when you come our area. My God. Sir, look I tell you, you see this one. If you take them, the way your eye go take the shine, you see everywhere. This one na Canadian loud though. Canadian, as in original Canadian loud. Even Philippine loud they say. Officer, wait. I want to something. Give am this. Don't worry, they where you go. Test that. No, put that for your nose. Check out for your nose. So na correct one. No be anyone. You go feel the glory. Strong one. You still get another time. I want to see all the outro. No, forget. Now that won't be original one. I dey give the 30 way go make your eyes dey shine. They say you want another one. Sure. Bring money. You know the better one. Hey.
Yeah. Move. Come. Anybody if you move. See. You people are going to cooperate with me. Take me to the person who sells this thing to you, to your dealer. Right now.
I tell you, say they want to trust this people.
Hey, shut up!
This account, I never reach like that.
Hey.
You know say I love you, but no provoke me. What did they do with my enemy now?
Babe, who is your enemy?
Ify. But my arch enemy be that.
Oh, you mean Ife?
You even put oh.
My love, she's a very good person. She have been buying my goods, patronizing me. She even bought me things. Let me go inside and...
Stop. She's not who she's presenting. Stop seeing her, beg.
What did she do to you?
Okay, make I bust your bubble. She's a lesbian. She's into fingerprints. You feel me now? She dey organize small girls give politicians. Na pimp now. She dey knack woman. Somebody was supposed to do 14 years imprisonment. Make I now bust your bubble again. That babe wey you see, na cult leader, one female cult wey dey terrorize everywhere. You don't see am now? So no be good person, forget wetin she dey form give you. Stop seeing her.
Was that why she tried to kiss me?
She won't kiss you. She won't kiss you. Enter house. Just they go.
I'm sorry.
They go. They don't tell me you're sorry. She kiss you.
much.
She nearly.
Yes.
Enter house.
I'm sorry.
Okay, come, no problem. I love you. But avoid her. Play me the tape.
About this day, oh.
I said, make you play me the tape.
I can't dey tell me, play me tape, play me tape. I be radio, he say play me tape. Which kind of tape I want? You don't know what he's supposed to. Tell me, say play me tape. Like say easy to go and gather information. Oh yeah, now where the
I
line?
not enter mood now. If you cut carelessly now, I go run it. I go stampede you now. If you make it more now, or the mood why they so. How I they paralyze this? How they provoke like this? If you make it more, I go stomp into you now. I said, make you play me the tape.
I
said, make you match him. I can't no para for you. For the smoke, if you arrange them later.
I go give me. Okay, no wahala. You see, based on that level.
Lower your voice.
Wetin concern me concern voice.
See,
wetin.
Lower your voice.
No wahala. See, wetin I wan tell you, shey you dey hear am. I wan tell you say, based on that level, Mama Ashana dey do jazz. I see that woman dey do all those things wey native doctor dey do all those things. Wetin dey call herself na cantation abi? E dey do cantation. That woman bad oh. That be small thing.
Bukati. Bukati. This tape where the play give me so. You confirm, you know why they ask you. You know, say I don't already mark your face. On how I find out later, say, now first tape you play, give me. You know what thing go happen to you.
Oh, why they hear like this? I go play first tape, can't give you. Which kind tape I won't give you like that? Shebi na me be Minister of Information. Why I go give you first tape? When I know say if I try lose guard, say you go stampede me. I know you now, your body na hot fire. Sorry, fire hot. Sorry. Give me lighter now. You know what? Give me lighter. Don't worry. Destiny. Oh. I don't know.
Sir, 2 officers in this division were fingered by the 2 boys I arrested today. And they are ready to expose more officers who are behind the selling and patronage of Indian hemp in this town.
Officer James, I am really impressed by your wonderful discoveries. Well done. Well done. Yeah, but I want to plead that you take it easy on our boys. You know, this terrain is very, very tough. Very tough. And our boys work extra hard to cope with the difficulty here. It will not be nice to just arrest them and parade them like ordinary civilians. And it will not be good PR for this district.
Sir, please, with all due respect, we cannot let it slide. I mean, the police force need to be cleansed of these unscrupulous elements in uniform who dent the image of the force and that of this nation.
I agree with you. I totally agree with you. We need to do something. But I want to plead to you to allow me handle it internally. Yes, let me handle it. It's within my jurisdiction. Don't worry. I'll make sure every corporate goes in for it.
Sir, may I remind you that I have an authority I need to report back to. The commissioner who sent me here.
I understand. I totally understand, Inspector. But I am just appealing that you give me the privilege to handle it internally, at least for my own dignity. For the sake of my own dignity. For the sake of the name of this district. You have done a wonderful job. Let me take it off from here. Please.
Make all assurances double sure. I buy am, still buy in spirit. Emanaka pialife, Koslebi wazo. But the kind buying why by this man, you know if you reincarnate again.
He's right too. The lady is a confirmed cultist and a lesbian. I wonder what you're doing with such a person.
Makachi, Chinelo. I swear I thought I knew that woman. You know, she only came to me as a friend. She was buying all my goods now. Do you know, I used to just... I don't know that she's a lesbian.
Listen, let me tell you. You can't be friends with such a notorious criminal. Do you know that she has ladies working as prostitutes for her? Unless you don't mind doing the business.
God forbid. How you go talk that kind of thing, Chinelo? Me, Chisimdi, bring dishonor to my family, even though say my papa don't die. I know fit.
Then you abstain from her. And that your so-called boyfriend, what's his name again? Ashanna. See, he's not in any way better than Ife. They are both notorious and perfect example of people you shouldn't be seen around with.
Chinelo, you are wrong. I'm not leaving Ashanna for any person.
Okay, oh, no wahala now. See, I don't know. Do you remember how your father died? He's going to put you in a harm's way.
Chinelo, I called you here to advise me about Ife, not Ashanna. And besides, Chinelo, Ashanna was not the one that killed my father. Stop this thing. I don't like him.
Anyways, that's my only advice to you, my friend.
Yeah, come and be going. I don't want your advice as long as it's Ashanna that you're bringing up.
I've heard you. No problem.
This is unacceptable. How irresponsible can you be, Dr. Phillips? How? This man is already getting better. How come your security cannot explain how this man was assassinated right inside your hospital?
Inspector James, please calm down. Please calm down. I'm still shocked over what happened here. I mean, it has never happened before. This hospital is well secure.
Guys, stop that crap. Don't give me that crap. Which hospital is well secure? What are you telling me? Listen to me, Mr. Man. You have a lot of questions to answer. You and the management of this hospital have a lot of questions to answer. Listen to me. I will get to the root of this. What nonsense!
Clear. At least the message now don't dey clear. Say we dey find them. How is the day here with me? No shake, we go meet you soon. Everywhere good. Confirm. Arize. The message don't declare. At least the babe know who be 01 for the town now.
I better make you watch that talk. I say make you die that talk. Which kind dirty talk be that one? I say which kind smelly talk be that one? Who come be the 001 now?
What in the sub now? Why you dey talk like that now? You never be 001 before.
I can play you one tape for this hood, for this cabal. I know they see anybody, papa. Make una perish that your idea. Make una die that talk. Make una zero the matter. Ashana, no be my 001. A real 001. Suppose the mount guard giving guys. Make I play you another tape. Ashana, they do jazz. Ashana, they fortified. Ashana, they were protected. How can I carry us along as a man?
Arize, see, you need to perish that talk, abeg. Perish that talk. What in the talk, sef? I don't like what in the talk, oh. I don't like what in the talk, oh.
Bukati don't confirm the level for me.
What the Bukati confirm give you now? Who goes Bukati now? What in the stop now? Who is Bukati now? Come to Ashana. About at least you got Ashana in our blood. You need to change your mindset. I don't understand what you talk. What's to
perish that idea again?
Perish that idea now?
One more. Make I no provoke for you. Make I no paraphrase.
About provoke? What you talk?
Say Bukati don't confirm. Say using Kolo eyes.
So how will Bukati?
Make you die to talk.
Bukati now?
Yeah, you want tape?
Nothing you claim me.
Using Kolo eyes. You see where Ashana mama they prepare jazz.
See, listen to me. Arize, me and you know say Bukati na Johnson man. Why they compare Bukati to Ashana now? What is the soap now?
I they talk with the cantabation me.
Forget that thing, Arize. What you talking now?
I they talk with the checkmate me.
Arize.
I dey talk with the mathematics.
Arize.
With the mathematics hierarchy.
Arize.
For the ama.
Forget that level hierarchy. Arize, who goes you now? See, make I tell you, Arize. Ashana na our blood. Then they compare with Bukati. You get what they tell you? Stop this thing when they do.
You, Jerry. Then they find meat for pot. You will be more. You won't show your face.
Arize, as I be for one side, I stop and then agree done.
If this kind of talk happen next time between me and you, my Abba to God will make me and you. I don't mark your face and I go stampede you.
Now say it be my blood, oh. And then they lick my own blood, oh. You get why, yo? Then they tell me those kind of talk, Arize. Get what they tell you? Then they tell me that kind of talk. No shake you, we go meet for junction.
That guy, no be anybody. Nah, a commander. Nothing. No rich. No now.
Ashana gets mind. Threaten me for this town. Ekwensu enwe swag. Ta! Ekwensu enwe swag now. Shebi wants make we fight war. I go light them up.
But you know, say wetin dey off me sometimes be say, who be this Ashana? Because the name no ring bell. I don't know am from anywhere.
Na because say him no be anybody. Now make you know now. See, make I tell you, if not for him mama, That guy na nonsense. And they tell you, that mama they give him ginger. They parole him everywhere they go. Nothing.
I don't blame him, Sha. I don't blame him. If no be rain, wetin to make pigeon and hawk there together?
Nothing.
No the matter. I'm a president Umar Shawo, north, south, east and west. Obi hadro mumma. I'm caterpillar wine. President Umar Shawo. Akunachi umu. I saw a small boy now where they wear pampers. Tata mechone bezina kwa.
Akwa dino mano bube. Hey! Onto sengemenge.
For this town, abi. Who go show am? Him too small. I send him anyhow. I go run into him, Rabaratsky. Fakalobi hadro mumma. Imana kan supado. Amam ne imana kan supado. Ni you etem na Johnson. Ashana.
Akuna chomo. But if na me be you, I go say make we freestyle that sing the girl because the girl know water.
Wetin dey bring this guy talk now? No. Wetin dey make you cap anyhow now? Girl, dey well oh. Tell her make she dey well. Na me get this town. Any girl wey I want, na my own. Oyo obodo.
Light a man.
Yoma.
Light a man.
Akunachi umu. President Marshall.
Idirama.
Hey. Akwa akasi na ege ntị.
Ntị adịkwa. Akunachi umu butuo.
Senior man, how you take there? You supposed to be happy because we don't clear our problem for this town. Mr. Andrew don't buy now. Waiting stop again now.
Baba, make you try put network for your face now. That man don't make himself our problem, and we don't handle him the way we take handle all our problems, and that is the very hard way. Make network small there your face, Baba.
I dey look for joy, but I don't see happiness.
Baba, waiting comes up again now. Waiting happen.
See, person they drag my babe, and if they say a man normal level, you go lose him 32. But na babe they drag my babe.
Papa, the matter be say just give order. We go clear the full town. Everybody go down now. Waiting they up now.
What do you mean that idiot there? That lazy babe there. Ochaka Maka.
Baba, Ify.
Yes, yes. Ify, I mean I want him. That babe they drag my babe. That babe go they drag my babe. You want my bury you alive? That babe they drag my babe. Nothing they pay me. If you say a homeboy now for no, you don't understand.
That kind of thing.
Why babe go they drag my babe?
Just check out now, Baba now.
Baba, you know, say if you and I be the leader of the other notorious odd group, she now our long-time rival, now long-time enemy, now she be.
I make her drag my babe.
Forget that thing with the talk. Who shall be a notorious Scott group now?
But apart from that one, you still get one more thing where they give her mind. May I play you another tape? That if you wait, they see so. You get one very bad Italian cartel, them. Bad boys, them. Strong men, them. Where they steal back and up. And all those niggas, them, they into human trafficking.
See, their grandfather, mama.
Yeah. Which Italian cartel don't bath? What are they talking now?
They say human being. I said their great grandfather. How you take concern me? You know what they say?
I'm a reason. Which one that Italian cartel now?
You see that girl? Evie. She's wanted. Simple.
Baba. To hell with the Italian cartel. They don't know who will be for the town. Which one be Italian cartel? I go clear everywhere 2 seconds. What is the song?
I say man can shoot aside.
That one for you. Which one be Italian cartel now? Reason. One day they talk those things again.
I just got off the phone with the commissioner. And he is very upset. Really, really pissed.
Yeah, I spoke with him too, and he needs results. He needs results before the end of this week. Please, sir, I want to seek your permission to allow me to do this job the way I want. Because I want to do everything within my powers to make sure those murderers are arrested.
Of course, detective. Of course, you have my permission. Anything that will be done to restore law and order in this town, you have my full support. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
I am counting on you. I am counting on you, detective. Do not fail me, eh?
I won't fail you.
Go ahead.
Permission to follow, sir.
Granted.
Just when I think say everything on the fall for life for us, say our war is good just day over very soon. What be this?
Now, man, make I buy this detective where you talk now. Make I put for now. How much did you do?
I won't make you buy him. But the thing be say, the people say, or if anything happen to that man, say the whole of military police, Nigeria police force, then go invade this our town, wipe them out, pata.
That lie. Man, they no fit do that one. They no fit lie. They no fit to do that one.
See what they talk. Even the DPO by himself don't they take a hand, look for way they go transfer and come out for this place. Eh? You know if that man come out here, me and the fear the man go open our nyash show. Because that man na lily liver. Forget say as you see they look like that one go just sell us out.
I want you to reach there the thing.
No see. And they see him before it happen. Make they tell you say make you calm down. They listen to follow me. Yeah.
See, baby, I don't they call you now. You know they pick my call. What's happen?
That is because I don't want to have anything to do with you again. Please.
What's the meaning of that now? What's the meaning of that?
No, I regret not knowing you sooner before I met you.
What's in they bring all this talk now?
I'm talking about the female cult group that you lead. You know, I regret having anything to do with you. Please.
Ashana! I see your handwork for you. So Ashana don't lie to you about me. And you believe her. You go to believe Ashana. See, Simdi. Can I talk to you now?
Well,
I love you. What thing I feel for you, they genuine.
Well, I'm not a lesbian and I'm not into prostitution.
Prostitution? Where you they get that notion? Say I won't use you for prostitution.
Because that's exactly the same thing you do to other girls that are with you. And I, Cindy, you're not going to do that to me. Please just leave me alone. Is it hard?
See the way they talk to person who don't show you genuine love. Don't be so now. Why they disrespect me like this? See, Cindy, I love you. I love you. What thing I feel for you, they genuine.
There's nothing genuine about you. Just go. Can you just leave me alone, please?
Cindy, see, I go prove to you, say I love you. I go prove am to you, you go see. I go.
Ashana and mama send their regards.
Calm down, oh.
Calm down.
Yeah, calm down, oh. No dey play. No be play, we dey play for here.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto.
I managed to escape with my life. They shot all of them with guns. Ha! No, nah. Ha! Now, Shana handle with this. Nothing you fit tell me. Now, Shana handle with this. No, now.
Ashana gets mind. Ashana gets mind. For my girls.
They killed many of us. 10 died instantly. Eh? Yes. Hi. I no see this one coming, no. I no see him. Because we just there on our own. We no look for trouble. No, Ashana, you went too far. Went too far now, Ashana.
Abang Kembo. Obola Ashana. Abang Kabo. Obola Ashana. Osa Ashana ke emele egbe. Nwatakịrị na-epu eze adị enye ya nụ ka ọ taa ọnụ ụkụ ka ọ na-anwụ Ashana ndị a ga-ala nwụọ mmee ga-ala nwụọ ndị enye ga-ala nwụọ
Ala na-agba mmiri. No, Ashana, no, why now? Some of the guests now waiting for the hood. All of them don't dabble. The remaining ones now go they hide. Based on saying that them be the target. Ah, no now. Ah, Shana, no now. Ah, Shana, no. They don't go. They don't go.
Ashana! Who there this house? Where are begin there?
Say who goes you?
Be like say you dey use your destiny dey play abi. Be like say they don't tell you abi. Obolagu. Okwe ma na asị na onye kpata nkwa arụrụ sịlị ngwele bịalị ọlịlị. Ashana chukwu ebuka nwa eze akpatago nkwa arụrụ. Na enu ngwele ka o ju ube gị n'ahụ. Na m ide ehie n'ahụ. Kedu Ashana nwa gị? Wee ndị?
Ọ dị ka ala na-apụghị. La kirikiri ala. Ogolo ọ dịbọ. Maka na ala ogolo bụ ihe. Eh? Small girl like you. How dare you barge into my compound to start asking after my son? In Ayala.
Akorologi. They don't tell you. Even I tell you won't make I buy you. I go buy you. Buy your pikin. Now me talk am.
This one. Even I say they not tell you who I be. You never sabi. Go ask him. Do I say Makada mom?
Tell your pikin say. Now kuna chumu be here. And ebe obuna afuli anogwe. Uma kuna ga tu ya down. I know they play. Tell am say I come. Na me be president of Uma Ashawo. Obuna mother, I got call go Fuma.
Mama da atu egwu Uma Ashawo. Maka no worry fire me fa melu ani melu ochi melu enu.
Akorole.
Akogoli.
Akorole.
The obele nwa si ebe apo. Don't you dare step your useless legs into my compound again. Mmeme ya lo. Mmeme iwa jekwe jua.
And when photo ndi kan na my house and I respect old people. Just I get away.
Wow, zibo. Wa? Wa no na ebuali otole nse. Wa lo hia nwura. I think I'm going to send my son to go after you. Where Maggie? Ashanti Kotoko. Okay, one ablora.
Officer.
See, if you try that rubbish again, I will blow your head. What is wrong with you?
See, officer, make I finish my...
Come, if you try that nonsense, I will blow your head.
Officer, babe,
move.
Why you want to arrest me? Wetin I do? Wetin I do now? Officer, I know they find trouble. I know follow those bad boys when they
use kala, they threaten people, they kill people. No, let this thing be crime. After even you sef, I just say they do am.
Will you move?
Abeg na, no arrest me. Where you wan carry me go? If you put me for cell officer one day without this, I don die be that. Abeg.
Oya, now, one thing you will do for me, and I will free you. Tell me the name of the person that supplies you this weed.
Aye, officer.
Who dey sell Igbo give you?
Wait, I go wait na, abeg no vex. Ma finish this one first now.
I will blow your head though.
Aye, officer, this thing wey dey talk now, e hard. I dey tell you.
Will you talk now before I will shock you with this?
Officer, I go tell you. I go tell you. Number one, no be say e pay me make I go do that kind thing. E just say make I go do am. E dey suspect say you and your mama dey do jazz.
I will believe that nonsense.
I dey craze. I go believe that kind thing. I no believe am, me, Minister of Information. I no say na opata in dey yarn. I no believe am. Trust me.
See, if I later find out say you inspire my mama, you no go like wetin I go do you. Stop that nonsense. No be everywhere that they play.
Number one, I go do that kind thing. You no trust me again. Na me o. Shebi I don loyal to you. You see no mind that Arize o. No mind am. No those things wey dey.
Omilele, you don't do now. What happen?
Wetin this bastard dey do for here? This boy na snitch o. Ona go sue me. I go just stampede you now.
Senior boy.
Who be
No man, this boy go dey snitch us, dey give that detective wey just come inside Obodo. Carry all our information, dey give that man. I you just get contact from our man for Eke. They tell us this guy dey snitch on us steady. This Mugu, they carry our information, they go give Ekelebe. Everything, all our doings, then they are well like this because of this Johnson snitch.
In the mount intel for Eke. Onya na mount to the papa intel. I go just stampede you now.
No try am. Senior man.
Bring down the hand.
Every time they like to stampede person. See, senior man, now wetin I be wan yarn you now before they come now, come dey para me. See, no be say I just go there, go dey yarn apota about you. Ekeleba arrest me yesterday, come tell me say, ma help them bring information about you. Ma tell them send information. Because say make I tell them everything about you, make they for bring you that. I say I no go do I go do that kind thing. I can't take am now. See now, if I tell them that kind of thing, they can't arrest you. How I go take manage? Who go they give me Igbo they smoke now? Take am now.
Are you telling me that you're not working with the police?
I know who be Ekelebe. Me. My papa na Ekelebe, I be na my mama.
See.
Ashana, this boy the cap like give us.
No gonna free am.
No try am.
Tomorrow morning, leave town. No fall back until I say make you come. Now, Bolaji, early morning. Make day no break for your head for this community. Just they move till I say make you come back.
Senior man, I want to do it now. I no get money now. I no get anywhere to go.
Transfer money for you.
Go transfer money.
I go send you money. Just they move.
What have you?
Come on, die or die, Tina Jones. Come on, you go disembark from this place. The craze.
I talk to you.
I go run into
look at this Mugo.
Who owns the streets?
Die or die, it's the commodity.
The street is like a jungle. Yeah.
Number one.
If you are weak, you have to be strong. No space for the weak. No space for the weak. I don't care what them daily, but I own the street.
Sir, I was very shocked when I heard the news. Yes, sir. Honestly, I don't understand what happened. Yes, sir. I am making some arrests to that effect, sir. Yes, sir. Very bad, sir. Very, very bad. I think the DPO has been compromised as well. I'm not very sure, but I will see to the root of this. Yes, sir. It's a promise, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry for the loss. Okay, sir.
The street is like a jungle, yeah, yeah, yeah. If you are weak, you have to be strong. No space for the weak, no space for the weak, no space for the weak. 'Cause we they run this town. The streets, 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 the streets.
Oga? Oga?
Ashana, I beg. And they suggest make we leave this town, go for some other place, go establish. I beg.
Leave town? Why now?
Let's see somebody everywhere. Make we just go anywhere, go start a new life, create our own circle. As all these your vendors, most of them not enter sell. If they catch me, say one day they go begin open mouth, they talk nonsense. Call your name, call my name.
Now this thing make me talk, say no, we'll kill that detective. You say no, saying go bring problem. I wouldn't like that guy since now.
You know, she say he don't bring problem. Even the DPO with that don't bring problem. Everything that problem now. Make we just leave this town, go another place where they no sabi us, start new life. Live there.
Global mama, I know they live for where they know they hear me. We don't conquer this town now. This town be like our palo. Connections there, power there, everything there. We dey control things. We don't go through all that. Now, one go for new area, gonna be like small pikin. No. Yeah, we don't conquer me with the here. No,
I'm not gonna make anything happen to you. You know, say now you be the only thing I get for this world. For this life, for this world, now only you. After you, now you again.
Male, nothing go happen to me as long as say you did the protect, they watch my back. Nothing there. I don't feel do anything.
I beg, make you try you. Then wear that your waist bead. No ever forget them. No ever forget them. Wear am serious. Make it day for your waist. Day for now when you dey sleep, when you dey wake up, I beg.
No, day. I know the commander waist bead. He day. For some. Day with you.
Trust you.
Global mama, now we there now. Everywhere we go.
Yeah, just they catch me.
Nothing goes so. See, even though we not do that DP, we die for accident.
See my fine son.
Network. officer. Officer. Yes, na me they talk, na me. Officer, na Bukati they talk. What in they solve now? Okay, see, as they be like this now, wetin I wan give you the information wey I carry now, na be say, wait now, make I hear you. I wan tell you say, I'm ready to inform and give you every details of people wey dey import the igbo, both the one wey dey supply and the one wey dey sell for this ghetto. But officer, wait o. My information no be for free o. You must give me something. Officer, I know say I no dey ask for much na. Na just one bag of igbo wey I go take dey maintain myself for the other side where I dey go. No. Officer, no talk that one o. Abeg. See, I no dey come station. You wan whine me? Make I come there, make arrest me. I no dey come. See wetin you go do, I go dey Osisioma like this. Na there I dey wait for you. I dey wait for you for there. Just come quick. Arewa.
Malai Bukati.
Arewa fan na.
My guy. One thing must kill a man. And all die, not die. But that statement no supposed be for person like you. We get men like us with the mouth guard for their man.
Arewa, abeg now, abeg.
My cham now, I dey cap you, want the cap with me. You know, no say HIT dey town. How can you come dey lose guard, them agree more, them yonder up and down for the armor? I think sir Shana don't settle you, make you cut out, come out for town, make bullet no cluster enter you.
Arewa na the thing. That's why you talk now. As you see me like this, my name na movement.
I say make you match me again. If you no be say you be my guy, I for say mpam no kugidia. How can you go there the area when the area no safe?
Arewa no vex. I know say as you dey now and as body they do you now, say na based on efforts where you be.
Men mount guard for you, make you come out.
And so now
what I want to do. I say make you dey cut out.
Arewa, I know one problem now. What I want to do now. But before then, Arewa, I beg if you do me one favor.
It be that.
You get, even if you say na one rap.
Make you perish that idea and I say make you perish, make you zero the matter. I go stampede you with the talk of matter of life and death. Say bullet they fly everywhere. You find one now, you find Dakobini.
Arewa, you be my man. Just find me one. Man, collect.
Arewa. No one see you for the area again. No.
Yeah, Arewa. I just say cut out.
I say make you cut out. Make the bullet no hit you.
I dey go. Arewa, you get. You no get light.
I go stampede you. I say area no good. They find light. I come out now.
Man, they go.
Taka sana siko pending jinga wewe. I bet this guy who goes you.
Calm down, no.
Calm down.
Calm down, no. Let me play. Let me play with the play for you.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Monday. Streets will keep paying our bills, payday. Forget GTB, please use my OPay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay.
I'm not afraid. I will explore. I was raised in ghetto. Nothing can stop me. We rule this town. I am the captain. You cannot stop me.
Yeah. Listen, one neck filo. I need this shaki, let me pillow. If you zuzu, you go to hear ratatata. Cause we go give them to you, even rotototo. So bumpy, follow the boss, more. The meal ticket for the police, bokwa more. We know they run away. This is my home. Listen, I am talking to you in particular.
I'm not afraid. I will explore. I was raised in ghetto. Nothing can stop me. town. I am the captain. You cannot stop me. Oh, I'm not afraid. I will explore.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What?
What are you doing, my friend?
Come close! Come here! I didn't talk to you, come here! Come here!
Is that a way you welcome someone in your home? That's what you guys got. Hmm?
What are you doing, my friend?
I don't say make her come look you well. You see me? You see? The boy don't fall.
Make her come look that girl!
Observe that girl we won't collect my lover from me. My one and only love. So now you. Same this so now you be whip up fashion against me. I don't talk to you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about. Did you go and say? Do you know who I am? Imaram. You don't know.
Please, what did I do to you? I did not do anything.
Did not do anything. Stand up there. Stand up there. They're mad. They're mad. Now make I tell you. If you know what they're good for you, for this town, better leave this town or you die. Let me go buy you. And nothing gonna happen. You won't collect only girl. What they wet for me, what they make me wet. Man, I balo mumili. I na bakalo mwani mili. Won't collect her. Cindy! You no go like me. If I liar, ma pia diala, you got no name. Sadilo imma. See, look at me very well. Hmm? You see me? Ubia drama. Well, if it's solemn.
Hello. Where are you? Leave whatever you are doing and come to my house now. Are the guns ready? Good. Ịma na ofe ka amara mgbe ekele nkwa ụkwa. Mana ka onye ahịa akọlụ na nwa ụkọchukwu adịghị eje ụka.
Yeah, boy. Afuna Chiomo. President Umashao.
North, south, east, and west.
I salute you, madam.
Get ready. Get ready. Get up here, Igwe. Asị na a ga-apịa igwe mee gịnị? Apịa igwe. Nna. Ewote street ebe anya wakpie nye into pieces. Get ready. I've come to challenge your God. Hey! Come back to your work.
Me, I know there for that one. No, I dey talk of money matter. I dey talk of banis matter. You know they don't banis. Wetin dey sup? Nah, me those kind banis where they here. No be the kind why I want. But you dey follow up. I dey want follow up all those where they get big back. At least they calm down. See they follow up the banis. You know, no say all the fine babes where they the area. Now Ashana come dey tidy all of them. You don't dey envy Ashana too. Nah, Ashana just dey lose get up and down. Play game. Once Ashana suppose they play fast, give us. If at all, I still dey again. Especially that one where her this thing be like a milk industry. Now that one I done the ice since. I go just suck it to my mouth like a nozzle. Come on, eye for me man salary. You get why? Ashana just dey lose get up and down. She just dey fall our hand. Look, I tell you, I don't be by that shooting that sharp. Based on the principle of before him and we can. To go to Ashana say this man not declare war on us. So make we make I tell you, no be by that shun that show. That based on the principle of if only men can tell, how we be like this guy. Make we scamp, come out for town.
Yeah, with the scam come out for town. Come, Arize, you don't come with this your settings again. How this same Batman nonsense men go to chase us saying we come out for town? I don't understand you guy. What's in the shop now? See, do as I tell you. Go tell Ashana say mother hen don't declare war on us. Make I enter Obodo go pack tools come out. I don't tell you my guy.
Jerry, this girl so na mother hen girls are you know. And them na our old time enemies. And na Ashana na first start this fight. Me, I know if you go collect bullets for what no concern me. Ashana they do jazz. Mama don't jazz them up. Mama don't fortify them.
Arize, forget this thing when you talk. Now why they sentimental every time? One day sentimental every time. What's in the shop?
You don't lose God again.
See, make I tell you. At least we know who our enemy be. We go feel much and go in doorstep, go give them the war. And all of them must die today, man. But see, let me tell you now.
That was what they talk about, so I know they're involved. I know they're for that war.
Oh, you they come up, buddy?
I know they're for that hate.
You they come up, buddy?
I know they're for the hate.
You they come up, buddy?
Now Ashana start the war, make him go fight and finish.
Arize, you don't do too sentimental.
I know if you die, another man dead.
You don't do too sentimental.
I know if you die, another man dead.
Arize, you don't do too sentimental. Arize,
make you match am there.
Go tell Ashana say they don't declare war on us and they go carry tools, bust out.
You they checkmate me, Abi.
Who?
You don't checkmate me again, Abi.
Arize, go they calm down, oh.
You don't they can't motion me,
you go they calm down, oh.
You don't match my hierarchy for the arm, Abi. I go stamp it.
Come on, calm down.
I go stamp it.
Calm down.
Don't worry you. Who goes this boy?
Arize.
Die that talk and mount guard follow me.
Your phone there.
mother de la mar. De la mar.
Who are you for this town? You know who I be? That because of you, mother hen! That mother hen don't go for war for you. Just because of you. You're planning on God! Sandra, they ask you, you're planning on God.
No, please.
I see be now. Be like saying me go first stop you. Come on, me now, 1 million girl. I want to stop you, make I know if you dey come on water. What? Go show me your bed.
Please, I can't do what you're asking me.
Don't waste my time! Don't waste my time! Come into your bed!
Oh, hey, come here. Na Colomenta be your case, the case, Adi. Come back here. Come now. I promised you I was going to take care of you. See am now. She dey sleep, oh. I don't put am to bed now. See am now. See, baby, she no fit hurt you again. Calm down, come now. No move now, come now. See am now. I don't make am sleep. She no fit hurt you again. You dey hear me? See here. You see this bastard where they here? I don't know him for so many years. I don't know this fool. He won't chop my food. Food where me self never chop. See here. I'm going to take care of this, okay? Go inside.
Let me call the police.
No, call police for what? Go inside. Let me take care of her. She will not hurt you again, okay? Look at me now. She will not go hurt you again, okay? Oh yeah, they go inside. They go inside like this. They go inside. See my babe now. See, babe. You want chop with me the chop. See am now. You don't waste this fine punani now. I will miss you. I will miss all these oranges now. Where are you for call?
Obolu.
Chukuma.
Obolu. I can't believe this.
You are now a policeman.
Well, I was directed to this place. I was told a certain young man lives here who deals on weed.
Weed, what? Are you sure you are in the right compound?
I would have thought I am in the wrong place, but seeing you now, I understand I am in the right place. Because I know you and I know what you do. You were working with the late DPO, right?
Chukuma, leave this town.
And why should I leave this town, if I may ask?
This town belongs to my son and I. So you leave. You have no business here at all.
Oh, that boy is your son? Wow, I have good advice for you. Take your son and leave this town tonight. And I promise, if both of you leave this town, I will not hurt any of you. But if after tonight and he is still in this town, you'll be marveled at what I will do to him.
Chukuma, I will give you money. Plenty of money. I have a lot of it. Just leave this town. Leave now. At least concede this town to my son and I, as your elder sister.
Obolu, it is you and your criminal son that will leave this town for me. Take this as a warning. Don't say I did not warn you. If you are still in this town till tomorrow, I will forget you are my sister.
Leave.
This is a warning.
Use the gate!
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Monday. Streets will keep paying our bills, payday. Forget GTB, please use my OPay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay.
I'm not afraid. I will explore. I was raised in ghetto. Nothing can stop me. We rule this town. I am the captain. You cannot stop me.
Yeah. Listen, one neck filo. I need this.
Bugatti's corpse was found. Do you know anything about it?
That's how I take care of the matter. I hear say they don't find him corpse. Me, I don't know anything about the boy, yo.
What the light give me, I see your heart. Now you kill him.
And I'm by the boy, and I am. That boy been one station us. You know, say the boy and I better swim me. I say, instead of the boy to sell us out, after I don't give him money to come off of town, make I stampede them.
Without my consent.
You know, no.
Killer say he betrayed me, Abi.
That boy and I betray now. Now make I say,
you never betrayed me before.
That can't you know if it happen now.
If you send a mail, they spy on me and my mama. Say we dey use jazz. Maybe you think say I don't forget.
Now the boy first contact give me say Ashana and the mama they use jazz. Say we and you know they do the same thing. Say they use lies, flowers. Now him play that tape give me.
So you now you know verify you begin inspired my mama. You call me ask me.
No, Ashana at this point I go say make you disembark that talk. Now you first fall our hand though. Now you first make more. Now you first meander. Now you first lose guard.
Now you dey talk this thing.
I been think say we are you they're the same lane. We no know say or how would they face all the bullets, where would they face, or how would they go the war front, where would they go. We no know say you there fortified. We carry naked body, go they catch bullets for you. We for just buy for nothing like that. Ashana, you pull gun.
No, I pull chicken.
You pull gun for me, Ashana. The time why been the respect you don't pass. Or how we be like this, I want pull out. I want mutiny you. I want counter motion you. I want checkmate you. I don't ready to match your hierarchy, Ashana.
Too much capping no the full basket. Light me now. I pull gun, I must light. As I don't pull this gun, I'm gonna light you. So light me. If you don't light me, I'm gonna light you.
Ashana, at this point, I perceive the fine caprison give you. Because as you fall your hand where I did, respect no day, okay?
Just here. True, I dey do juju.
I been dey tell Jerry before now, say you na betrayer, you no believe me. Make I tell you, instead of me to dey loyal to you again, Ashana, come watch here.
Calm down,
Calm down.
Yeah, calm down, no dey play. Let me play with the play for you.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Monday. Streets will keep paying our bills, payday. Forget GTP, please use my old pay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
Hey, Basa!
Who owns the streets? The street is like a jungle, yeah, yeah.
Chinelo, if he was here, she killed someone in front of me. She buys somebody. What? Listen, we need to get to the police station right now. Chinelo, no. I know if you go to the police, so you don't know that lady again. If you just see me outside of this house, she will kill me. I need to leave this town. And you think that she will not get you wherever you go to? See, police is the only place. And police is the only safest place for us. Nowhere else. Chinelo, no. No. I'm sure she's working with the police and you know that. Calm down. Calm down. Not with the new detective in town now. He has been arresting all the bad boys and cleansing our town from weed business. I'm sure he will help you. I'm scared, oh, I'm scared. I don't want her to come back to this house. You have me, okay? You don't have to be scared. Don't worry, I'll call the detective. Then he'll know what to do about it.
Who owns the streets?
Calm down. Everything will be fine, okay?
The street is like a jungle, yeah, yeah. If you are weak, you have to be strong. No space for the weak.
Shut up! And I won't put up in it. Why you dey block me now? Nga ekwaga ka ị nwụọ. See, nga ekwaga. Shut up. See.
Ah, the way I saw there are mama where Zubby. After you, I stay you.
You don't do.
Are we there yet?
I will do. Trouble do.
Trouble. Mama, what in the soap now? The only trouble why I know where they background. Now that idiot what they call herself mother hen. I don't like them now.
That one not be problem, Joe. Who they talk about that one?
So what you can the soap?
Now the detective your uncle in the town. Now him.
Detective. My uncle.
Sure, man.
Starting when? Now you won't come to checkmate us now?
Me self a shock when I see him. He just enter here once. Say come arrest us. He can't look me say, make we just wah for this town. Make we pack comot. He no one see us here again.
In the mad. Starting when? Who give an that kind of power? Now you go tell us when to travel. Me, I know if you move, no leave, no transfer, no leave this community.
I beg. I think the best thing for us is make we pack comot. I don't suggest this thing before, but you no one listen to me.
Male.
See, you no know wetin trouble be. Until you meet this your uncle.
Mama, leave him. Now we dey here.
Mama, na trouble o.
What do you want to do? If you want travel. But me, I no fit travel. I no fit move. Because of my babe now.
Why you no wan leave, huh? Your babe, marry her now. Make we carry her wa.
She never gree for me. I see the toast am. Now when she gree now, I go say okay, we will begin move.
To stay here na wahala o. No be small wahala o. I don talk am o. The only problem to solve this problem na for us to comot for this town.
I no fit move. No be today nyash dey back. We don't. You know how many DPOs wey don change? You know how many detectives wey don come go? Your brother no fit worry me o. Kwata we go light am in the mad in starting when.
My brother na wahala. That man wahala.
Mala, they cut liver. As long as I dey under your protection, nothing dey happen.
Because na my brother, I no get hand to. I mean, I'm now. Not that kind of thing.
I don't want to talk to you as a police officer. I'm here to talk to you as my brother. I believe your mother must have told you about me. And I have heard a lot about you and how you have been terrorizing this town.
You know, we say we relate, eh? I forgive you better slap. If I slap you, you then mad. Are you the first police officer? So when I come they shake because they post you come. See, before Abraham, Jesus was born. I no go for you, now you go. You don't dare hear your tribe, many come go. If you say you no go, your blood go pour for this compound.
I give you and your mother 3 days to leave this town. Or you will face war.
I'm giving you 24 hours to leave this town. Else, they will carry your dead body come out.
3 days. Don't bargain for the war you cannot stand.
Even your native doctor know if you talk this thing when they talk. The next time when you go block me, I will quench you both for your face. We there here, many of your type come, go. You don't go be the first, don't go be the last. Police walk now for ear they carry out. If you do like this. If you won't carry out for head, we go kill you. You don't be the first. I don't think that happen.
3 days, brother. 3 days. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Arrange our weapons. We get better waka soon.
See no man. Where will they go now?
We go storm police station. We'll kill everybody where they're there before we burn down the station. They haven't done too much.
But see no man, if I suggest you know go better say we just leave town till everywhere don't cool down.
Are you the leader of this gang? And I tell you what will happen. They tell me say they suggest. You the suggest for. Don't provoke me. Oil our weapons, get them ready. We dey storm that station. You're talking nonsense.
See no man, I'm out with you.
They come back collect something from my mama.
I'm shaking a day with you, see no man.
First of all, just calm down, okay? Calm down, you have to calm down.
He's going to kill you. I know what he's capable of.
How did you know all this?
He came to me after you left. He said he needed to sort an issue with somebody and that person is you. Ashana is a very dangerous person. I know what he's capable of doing.
Now, thanks for this information, okay? But I want you to do me a favor. Be rest assured that I will be okay. I'm going to handle Ashana or whatever he calls himself. I'm going to take care of him, okay? Calm down.
Sir, I cannot live here. I'm scared. I can't leave this place.
It's okay. It's okay. You can stay at the station. When the time comes, I will take you home, okay?
Yes,
What are you doing here?
Sister, I have come to you because you're my blood. And I have come because I want to respect you and give you the last warning. Take your son and leave this town tonight. I don't know what he is up to, but I bet you it will not end well with him.
Maybe you lost your respect for me as your elder sister. But do you really know who I am? I am no longer that Ogbolu, your sister, that you used to know. I am now a priestess.
Sister, I don't care who you are or what you have become. I am here to give you this last warning. Take your son and leave this town. I may not have the opportunity to warn you again.
Get out of my compound. Leave my compound! I'm going to show you that I am Obolu, the princess of Iyala, the daughter of the wind. To hell with you! Chukuma, James, Anyanwu. Get out!
Remember, I warned you!
Silly! Idiot! Nonsense!
Male, as your brother, look work finish wey him go do, go say na detective, him be police abi. Today him go die like police dey die. I go burn down that police station. I don't say whether your brother dey inside or not. Him go die today.
You know say I go everly choose you over and above my brother. Eh? Nothing do you. What I want I can do. You are my son, my beloved son, in whom I am well pleased.
I don't think you go choose me. That your brother go die today. We go burn down that police station. May you know say that we dey here.
No confirm me. Make him pay me, no. How I go choose and leave you? You are my beloved son now.
How person go wake up, you go choose say that work you go dey do. Don't come dey stress me. Once we burn that station down, everywhere go dey calm. We go dey live without fear.
How be say you talk?
No
problem, sha. Okay, if you want, I make it, but I go need to fortify your protection. In fact, that's a waist bead. You go change them for another one. Bring them. I don't go make mistake.
Mala! After you still you did grace. They never burn them well. Everywhere will catch fire.
I beg you.
They go no say that we dey here.
Now we dey here. No wahala, sha.
Yeah. Calm down now, no dey play. Let me play with the play
My
for
son.
Yeah. Listen, I am coming like bazooka, and I go shoot anything, even Azuka. I was raised in the ghetto, and I'm fed by the ghetto. There's nothing you can do, I don't pay my dues. Standing like King Kong, Monday. Streets will keep paying our bills, payday. Forget GTB, please use my OPay. Cause whether you like it or not, you must pay.
You see what I want to tell you, Nana, because of say I get regard for you. See, no man, what you do no good, though. What you do me and a reason no good. So all this why they carry us to go front for Okoro, they put us on problem. They endanger our life. Meanwhile, your mama don't go tie jazz. You use jazz to guide yourself. Meanwhile, they risk our life for front of all these doings. See, no man, you don't make sense, so you don't make sense. But bye, I was no shaking. I just want to tell you, say, I no do again. And I want leave town. I don't wash my hands, come out. I mean, I don't want any problem again. I dey leave town. Now wetin I get to tell you with that senior man. I don't bounce.
Listen, I am talking to you in
I'm
particular.
not afraid. I will explore. I was raised in ghetto. Nothing can stop me. We rule this town.
You don't live when you want. You live when I want.
Why did you kill him? Come out and face me! Coward! Come out! Chukuma, James, Anyanwu! Come out and face me! Come out and face me! Come out! Chukuma!
Obolu, if you make any move and blow your head, drop that weapon. Now! Turn around.
Oh, life. Renfi.
Time is up.
One day you're gonna pull up. All the people you killed, your blood's on your hands. You're on the road of no return. One day monkey go market, he no go return. Angels and demons flying in your head. You've gone so deep in darkness, you cannot find your way. Now you are a bad bird, you're stepping